Okay, so today we'll be talking about cooking and baking with the Umami app. So today we will look at Umami, an app that helps you keep all of your recipes in one place and makes meal planning easier. You don't need to be tech savvy. This app is designed to be simple and helpful. So we'll explore what Umami is, why it is helpful, how to add recipes, the meal planning features, grocery list help, free versus paid options, and who this app is for, who it is best for. What is Umami App? Think of Umami as a digital recipe box. Instead of papers, screenshots, or bookmarks, all of your recipes are neatly stored in one app. It can help specifically with saving recipes from websites or books. It can keep information in one place and help with organizing your recipes. Umami works on phones, tablets, and computers. You can get Umami for iPhone and Android on the App Store, Play Store, and on computers by the web version available. A brief history of the Umami app. The Umami is a modern recipe and meal planning app designed to make cooking easier and more organized. It was created to help people save recipes from the internet and store family favorites and plan meals for all in one place. Unlike social media style food apps, Umami focuses on simplicity, privacy, and usefulness rather than ads or distractions. Over time, it has been popular with home cooks who want a calm, clutter-free way to manage recipes, plan meals, and reduce stress around cooking. Why Umami is helpful. No more losing recipes. Easy to read instructions. Great for cooking and baking. Reduces stress in the kitchen. If you've ever searched for a recipe you know you saved somewhere, Umami helps solve that problem. Meal planning made simple. Meal planning in the Umami app helps take the daily pressure out of deciding what to cook. Instead of figuring out meals at the last minute, you can plan your meals for the entire week in advance. This lets you see exactly what you'll be cooking each day, which can be especially helpful if cooking every day feels tiring, stressful, or overwhelming. Meal prep benefits. Planning ahead saves time, reduces stress, reduces decision fatigue, and helps you feel more prepared and in control. Many people also notice they waste less food and rely on less on takeout because they already have a plan in place. Grocery lists. Once your meals are planned, Umami automatically creates a grocery list for you based on the recipes you selected. This means you don't have to write lists by hand or worry about forgetting important ingredients. The app pulls everything together in one place, making grocery shopping faster and more organized. This feature is especially helpful for people who struggle with memory, organization, or juggling multiple tasks at once. How to add recipes. You can save recipes in three main ways: from websites, by typing them in yourself, or from photos or notes. Umami lets you collect recipes from many places: the internet, family cookbooks, handwritten cards, or notes on your phone, and store them in one easy place. Saving recipes from websites. Steps. Open your internet browser, Safari or Chrome. Go to the recipe website, tap the share button, square with arrows, select Umami from the list, tap save. This is one of the easiest ways to add recipes. Umami removes ads and extra text and only keeps the ingredients and steps, making recipes easier to read while cooking. Saving recipes from websites from computer. Open a web browser on your computer. Go to the recipes website. Open the recipes website web address. Open the Umami website. Paste the link and click import. This works well if you prefer using a laptop or desktop computer. It is helpful for people who like a bigger screen or use a mouse instead of touch controls. Manually typing family recipes, phone and tablet. Open the Umami app, tap Add Recipes, choose Create Recipe, tap the recipe name, enter ingredients and steps, save when finished. This is perfect for family recipes passed down through generations. You can preserve special dishes so they're never lost, and even share with family later. Manually typing recipes from computer. Open Umami on your computer, click Add Recipe, choose Create Recipe, type the recipe using your keyboard, save it to your collection. Typing on a full keyboard can be easier for longer recipes or for people with hand fatigue. Take your time, you can always edit later. Importing recipes from photos. Take a photo of the recipe or card or cookbook. Open Umami, tap Add Recipe, select Import from Photo, review and save. This is helpful if reading small handwriting or old cards is difficult. You can keep the photo and the typed recipe together. Importing from notes or text. Excuse me. Open the Notes app or document, copy the recipe text, open Umami, paste it into Create Recipes, and save. If you already have recipes saved in notes, emails, or documents, you don't have to retype them. Just copy and paste. Free versus paid version. Free version. Save the recipes, organize collections, basic meal planning. Paid version. Optional. More advanced planning tools, extra customization. The free version works well for most people. You don't need to pay anything to enjoy the benefits. Excuse me. Who is Umami best for? Home cooks, bakers, people who enjoy meal routines, anyone who wants less kitchen clutter. Umami is helpful whether you cook every day or just occasionally. Pros and cons of using the Umami app. Pros: keeps all recipes organized in one place. Saves recipes from websites without ads or clutter. Stores family and handwritten recipes digitally. Makes weekly meal planning simple. Automatically creates grocery lists from recipes. Clean, calm design that's easy to use. Cons: no built-in social sharing or recipe discovery feed. Some advanced features may require a paid version. Best for planning and organization, not cooking instructions. Overall, Umami is a great choice for people who want less clutter, less stress, and more control over their cooking routine. Helpful tips for everyone. Start with 1 or 2 recipes. You can always edit later. No pressure to be perfect. You don't need to add everything at once. Even saving a few favorite recipes can make cooking and baking much easier.